Warning, the following video is for comedic purposes only and should not be used as educational material. Please do not attempt to replicate anything shown in the video, as doing so can result in injury, avoided warranty, and or fines from the Environmental Protection Agency. Do not attempt to wreck other teams' robots during a competition. Be advised that the use of Mountain Dew-based fuels is strictly prohibited in some competitions.
Hey, what's up internet? My name's K-Dog and today I've got a very special video for you. I want to know if you're fed up with searching the internet for countless hours, combing the YouTube search results for the video you need that will tell you how to win the competition. How come there's no videos out there that will tell you how to win the competition in just one video? Why can't those YouTube clowns get it right? Well, today I'm going to get it right because I'm going to show you in one video how you can make your very own OP robot. Now today I'm going to teach you how to build the ultimate OP robot, and believe me, when you're done and you follow all the steps in this video, this robot will win every single competition out there. It's going to win WRO, FLL, FTC, FRC, FNAF, you name it, this robot will win that competition. So let's get started with building our very own OP robot. Now would be a good time to go and consult your MLG younger sibling for help on this project. Since they spend all of their life playing video games, the fine motor controls they've developed with their hands will be essential for helping you to make this OP robot. Hey man, you want to help me with something or build a robot?
Go away, you're not Katie.
Okay.
Detroit!
Now, the first step to making an OP robot is to actually get a robot. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm super impatient. I'm not going to sit around and make my own robot. So I'm just going to look around my house, see what's there, and we're going to see if we can take whatever lame robot sitting around on the shelf and we can make that OP. Now, for this project, I'm deciding to modify the Timiton. It's not at all OP on its own, but it's got potential because it's modeled after a shark. And just think about it. Sharks are the most OP animals in the world. They eat people, for crying out loud. So this is going to be a good starting point for our OP robot today. I've modified the Timiton by adding larger wheels to make it go faster, tons of spiky parts in the front and the back, and a lot of random blue things. So after you found the perfect robot that you're going to modify and upgrade to make it more powerful, the next step is to make some OP fuel for your robot to run on. Now it's important that we're making some fuel, because I don't want to have to deal with none of this battery nonsense. Literally every robot in the world runs on batteries. How are you going to beat every robot in the world if you're just like every robot in the world? Besides, the most OP machines on planet Earth all run on some kind of fuel. Think about it. You got Bugattis, space rockets, Lamborghinis, chainsaws, Bugattis. The possibilities are endless when you use fuel. So let's go make some of that fuel right now. Making this fuel is actually pretty simple, and you'll only need 3 ingredients. You'll need a bottle of Mountain Dew, a bag of Doritos, and a level 2 hazmat license. When you're making the fuel, make sure you wear safety goggles and take all of the necessary precautions. Safety is our #1 concern after all. After you've got that OP hardware down and your OP fuel all mixed up, the next important step is going to do some OP programming. So let me go pull up my computer and show you what you gotta do. So now I'm at the computer, and I have to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. But that's okay, because we can still program a robot to be OP. Now I see a bunch of different colorful little blocks, and that must be the programming. Now programming is good for your robot, so the more programming you do, the more good your robot will be. So I'm just going to drag out a whole bunch of random blocks in here. So the more blocks that you have in your program, the better your program will be, and the more OP it will be in the end. Because that's how science works, guys. Now it's time for the last step, and this one is crucial. You got to give your robot some kind of OP name. Just think of what all the MLG gamers are doing on the video games online these days. They've got their MLG name, and that's the source of at least 37% of their power. That's a fact, especially considering 50% of all statistics are made up on the spot. That is also a fact. So let's see what we can come up for our MLG Timiton OP robot here. XX_ Super Elite Hacksaw 360 hacks your internet _XX. We add the XX at the beginning and the end because Super Elite Hacksaw 360 hacks your internet was already taken. If you followed all of these steps that you've seen so far, by now you should have your own OP robot all complete, ready to go, and ready to wreck some other robots on the competition field. So who's ready for the big reveal? Let's get... No way. I can't publish this. That would be ridiculous. There's no way I'm doing that. Forget about it.